Everything mathematics is commonly thought of as being about numbers, but mathematics is actually a language. Mathematics is the language that nature speaks to us in. As we learn to understand and speak this language, we can discover many of nature's secrets. Just as understanding someone's language is necessary to learn more about them, mathematics is required to learn about all aspects of the world, whether it is physical sciences, life sciences, or even finance and economics. The great writers and poets of the world have the ability to draw on words and put them together in ways that can tell beautiful or inspiring stories. In a similar way, one can draw on mathematics to explain and create new things. Many of the modern technologies that have enriched our lives are greatly dependent on mathematics. DVDs, Google searches, bank cards with PIN numbers are just some examples. And just as words were not created specifically to tell a story, but their existence enabled stories to be told, so the mathematics used to create these technologies was not developed for its own sake, but was available to be drawn on when the time for its application was right. There is in fact not an area of life that is not affected by mathematics. Many of the most sought-after careers depend on the use of mathematics. Civil engineers use mathematics to determine how to best design new structures. Economists use mathematics to describe and predict how the economy will react to certain changes. Investors use mathematics to price certain types of shares or calculate how risky particular investments are. Software developers use mathematics for many of the algorithms, such as Google searches and data security, that make programs useful. But, even in our daily lives, mathematics is everywhere in our use of distance, time and money. Mathematics is even present in art, design and music, as it informs proportions and musical tones. The greater our ability to understand mathematics, the greater our ability to appreciate beauty and everything in nature. Far from being just a cold and abstract discipline, mathematics embodies logic, symmetry, harmony and technological progress. More than any other language, mathematics is everywhere and universal in its application.